Hey guys, so if you just saw our previous video, I accidentally pushed a button that stopped our video. So let me just show you what David is making. And if I didn't tell you guys in the other video, I was trying to make my account for my YouTube thing, but it would not work. So now I have to try as hard as I can to make my YouTube account. And if I don't, I am sorry to disappoint you guys, but I can't. But so I'm just rubbing this stuff in between my hands, even though it feels weird and it's white. He will not talk. So I am his person who talks for him. So as you can see, I am sprinkling the white stuff on this weird thing. And if you could see, my sister is recording and blah 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 blah. I'm bored. Okay. As you can see, he made a mess. Why would he talk? Please subscribe if you... Ew, don't touch that. Okay. Please subscribe if you want to make sure he talks. And if he is being annoying, subscribe because we will dump a bucket of gravy on his head.
Oh no, I will go in the shower with my clothes on and they will use gravy as my shampoo.
Yeah. Subscribe.
If we get at least 5 subscribers.
Not 5.
Yes.
10.
No, I said 5.
No, 10.
Nope.
10 subscribers. It's 10. Unless you don't want that much subscribers. Come on, guys. I know you guys want to subscribe to our channel.
5.
So far, Iris, as you guys know, Iris, our cousin, she has 2 subscribers. So please leave a comment.
I'm one of the subscribers too.
So yeah, if you're the other
and I subscribe to her channel on the computer. So I'm both of those subscribers.
Thanks for ruining it. But subscribe to her channel because she is a little girl and you don't want to be mean to little girls.
Yes, you do. She's annoying.
You don't want to be mean to little girls, huh? Because if you do, I will... Why is it so zoomed in? Oh my gosh. Alright. Don't be mean to little girls. As you could see, my little sister right here is trying to eat Play-Doh. Oh, I'm zooming it in. If you take a bite of that, you will be caught on camera. Even though it looks like a dessert. Do not eat it. Zoom it out. Zoom it out.
You guys want some?
No. It's too zoomed in. I need to zoom out. Why do I have to wash it? You made the mess. Because you made the mess. That's why I recommend you guys make Play-Doh in a baggie because it's more clean and you don't need to use a spoon or anything. I mean, you could use a plastic spoon instead of wasting your mother's or dad's time washing dishes because you are lazy. Ew. See, look at what his Play-Doh did to me. I recommend never make Play-Doh with this kid. Look at that. I am so white.
Watch me. Put the camera facing at me. Hi.
Oh! Hey, put it on your face.
Okay. Right here? Middle of my face?
I dare you to eat some. No. I recommend you guys do not eat this because it has lotion.
Ready?
Yes. Whoa. Okay, guys. We will see you guys next.
I have to show you guys my other Play-Doh.
Okay. Whenever I say I'm going to end a video, we never end a video. And it's already 4 minutes, and I know you guys are getting bored. If you're wondering what that is, it's my fingers and the video is zoomed in. So let me fix that. And as you could see, I have to wash my hands after this video because of my brother. So annoying. Comment down below if you have a little annoying brother that he gets so annoying that you want to punch him in the face, but you know you can't because then you'll get in trouble. But even though you'll get in trouble,
but I stole it from her.
Even though you get in trouble, it's still worth it. I get in trouble sometimes for being mean to him, and yeah, but it's worth it.
Oh, there's hair in this one.
So that is our first batch of Play-Doh, and I want to feel if it's like hard.
That one is because my cousin made that.
Yeah, it's hard. It's like clay. That's what it feels like. When you're trying to squeeze it, it won't squeeze. That's that. And then, so I'm going to judge whose Play-Doh's best. My Play-Doh. Iris's Play-Doh. Unfortunately, Iris is not here because she had a little. She had her back to school night today, so she's not gonna be in this video. So comment down below what type. Comment down below what type of pink Play-Doh do you think this is. Comment down below what this color is. Comment down below. Oh my gosh, it's soft.
It's softer than yours.
Where's your white Play-Doh?
Oh, that one's in there. Oh, I think.
Okay.
Yours is. Wait, I want to feel Iris's compared to yours.
Okay, I named this, but Sunny, it's supposed to be like Play-Doh. Yours isn't like Play-Doh. It's like more
yours your guys's are hard.
But Sunny, yours is like slime. Look, watch.
Feel.
You pull one side, I'll pull the other. So show them. See, look at like slime. Oh my god.
No, but let me show you.
How much lotion did you put in this?
Let me see.
Pull it off my hand. It's sticky.
And then let me see. Let me show.
Give me mine.
Look at theirs.
Give me it. Give me
And
it.
look at Iris's.
I'm gonna add some of this Play-Doh to mine.
Look at Iris's.
And
look at mine.
Alright, we will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Don't do that to me.
Bye.